Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, but we aspire to much more. Our vision is of a world where your money is free. That means freedom of choice, exchange, and transaction. That's why, with the Binance Decentralized Exchange, fiat on-ramps around the globe, and an entire blockchain ecosystem fueled by Binance Chain, we're working to bring the freedom of money to anyone, anywhere. Binance. Exchange the world.
What is Trading Republic? No, wait. Who cares? The question is, what can Trading Republic be for you? And you know what they say. Show. Don't tell. Join the best trading community ever.
Hello trader, welcome to the ZFT universe. You are about to see the exciting worlds in ZFT that has garnered rewards and media features, created trading champions and financially free Filipinos, at nagpatakbo ng events all over the world. Hailed as the best trading community ever. Excited ka na ba? This is the Trading for Rookies universe. Admission is free as long as you answer all the necessary details. Bawal ang troll dito. Trading for Rookies is best for beginners with absolute zero experience. From the basics of opening accounts, reading charts, differentiating traders versus investors. Andito lahat. Libre lang ito, so take advantage. May 6 houses dito. House of Hydra, Griffin, Dragon, Chimera, Centaur, Phoenix. At namumuno sa kanila ay ang mga Kaizen Aces or the house leaders. Now, you can see the Blueprint Planet. Ang Blueprint naman ay isang online course na pwede mong i-take kahit saan, kahit kailan. Walang expiration. Kaya perfect ito sa mga busy. Blueprint teaches the basics of stocks trading. So if you're a beginner trader, this is for you. May community din ang Blueprint called Blueprint First Class. Dito, may live Q&A every month for course finishers. Kasama na sa one-time payment mo yan. Blueprint is a very affordable way to jumpstart your education in trading with technical analysis. Next, Technical Intensive. Technical Intensive ang pinakamabentang planeta sa ZFT universe. We call the traders here Titans. Mabigat ang trading nila dito, pero ang gaganda ng transformation ng traders na sumasali dito. If you're a high beginner to intermediate trader, this is for you. Lalo na kung wala ka pang system. ZFT teaches you the best-selling system you can use. Ang maganda pa dyan, pwede mo itong gamitin kahit anong trader specialty ka pa. Di ipipilit sa'yo ang momentum specialty kung trend follower ka. Along with technical analysis, may trading psychology and risk management. Titans also get to join the premier aftercare course called Trading Republic for free. Maganda dun, mamaya puntahan natin. Ngayon, dito naman tayo. This is the Immersion Program. Sa Immersion Program, ang tinuturo na dito hindi na technical analysis system. Kahit anong system meron ka, tuturuan ka nila dito kung paano mo pa mas gagalingan at i-increase ang edge mo sa market. Ang bagay na dito yung mga high intermediate to advanced traders na. Kasama na rin ang admission nila sa Trading Republic dito. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa Masterclass. Minsan lang magbukas ang Masterclass. Iilan lang din ang pwedeng makapasok. Ito ang pinaka-comprehensive sa lahat na umaabot halos 4 to 6 months ang mentoring. It starts with the mindset, to technical analysis, at pati na rin ang immersion program kasama na din dito. Ito yata ang pinakamabigat na kurso sa buong trading universe ng ZFT. If you're ready to invest in your trading from start to finish, this is the place to go. Now. Our tour is almost finished. Our last planet is called the Trading Republic. Lahat ng citizens galing blueprint, technical intensive, immersion program, at masterclass ay pwedeng sumali dito. This is the community that you can ultimately go to para matulungan kang i-execute ang natutunan mo sa ibang planet sa ZFT Universe. Hindi naman kasi automatic after mo matuto alam mo na rin siya gawin. Ito na yata ang pinakamasayang planeta sa lahat. May mga games, contests, cash prizes, limpak-limpak na continuous education webinars, one-on-one consultations at kung ano-ano pa. Dito mo rin matatagpuan ang mga Mavericks. Sila ang professional traders na funded ng ZFT. Mga dati lang din silang students na ngayon funded traders na. Pwede mong gawin career aspiration yun. Do you want to be a funded trader with losses covered? Dito mo lang makikita yung ganyang alaga at tiwala. So, that's it. That is the super big ZFT universe. Do you have any questions? Message us and we'll help you board one of the planets soon.
Yon.
Ayun.
Good evening.
Na-plug natin ulit yun, no? Tagal natin di piniplay yun.
Oo nga. Good evening, guys. Good evening.
Good evening, guys. O yan. Pwede muna tayo mag-shoutout, to. Medyo ang daming
Yes.
maaga.
Oo.
Yan. Check daw, sabi ni Sir
Check.
Gerald. Christian.
Uy, mga
Arlo.
Titans natin dyan. Shoutout sa mga
Oo
Titans
nga,
natin. January.
Uy, si Wanderer Trader.
Yon.
Si Boss,
Bex.
Beck. Yeah.
Oo, yan. Mga Martians natin.
Si Madam Kate. Yes, hello.
Uy.
Yeah, and actually, guys, ang dami nyo, ha? Thank you sa
Good
113 million viewers.
Oo. Good evening. Good evening. Right.
Actually, Raph, tonight, ikaw talagang pinaka-inaabangan kasi di ba sa tribe, meron tayong Raph indicator. Siyempre
Hindi,
natin
actually-
kung anong meron sa Raph indicator.
Hindi, actually, ikaw yun eh. Kasi ikaw yung nagsischedule ng mga FGD. So, ikaw nagsabi ito,
Oo.
bull market ito. So, si Mariel talaga yun, guys.
Tapos nung nilagay ko siya last time, okay, Raph, babaan mo yung energy mo kasi
Oo,
hindi pa
wala
bulls.
Oo, yeah. Tapos, nagkasakit tayo January. So, bawi tayo
Oo.
ngayong February. Guys, so, check to everyone. Ayan, shout out sa inyo. Alright,
Check,
hello,
guys,
hello.
check. So,
Ayan.
why
So,
do
just-
we say check? Sa TR kasi, we say check parang present, di ba?
Oo,
Ganun
attendance
namin siya
check,
sabi.
ganun.
Usually, sa US stocks yan market natin before. But then,
Oo.
napunta na rin sa crypto kasi nga 24/7 market. So,
Yes.
yan.
So, shout out to
Yan.
everyone. No? Kanina, pinay namin yung mga ZFT Universe, right? Courses around ZFT Universe. So, shout out mga rookies natin dyan, mga youth traders, mga titans, right? Mga tribe
Yeah.
citizens natin dyan. So, everyone watching, welcome to our weekly FGD. So, this is one of the things. We do this every week, right? Pero yung
Yes.
FB Live, we try to do it every week and we share to you our outlooks and insights regarding the crypto space. So, today, we're gonna be discussing yung buong crypto space, right, guys? And just a few announcements, right? Since syempre pumapatok yung NFT space, right? So meron tayong Discord server, right? Na
Yes.
for mga NFTs. So check niyo yung post ni Boss or sali kayo yung Trading for Rookies, right? Nandun yun. So Playworks, abangan nyo rin, magkakaroon tayo ng content dyan and mga live sessions. So sali kayo dyan.
Yes. Ready na natin yung sa Playworks, no? So, if I were you guys, if you are
So, if
parang
you-
overwhelmed with the crypto space, tapos curious kayo sa mga NFTs, mga play to earns, you know what, you want to get started, I highly suggest you join this server.
Yeah. So ayan, Trading for Rookies as well is going to have a Discord server. So if you wanna get to interact with our fellow traders inside Trading Republic, yan yung place to be, Trading for Rookies, and of course, Playworks. Right? So sali kayo dyan sa group na yan. And
Shout
nandun
out nga
yung
pala
ating
sa
Discord.
Trading for Rookies, Raph, no?
Oo.
Kasi nagkaroon na tayo ng mga bagong
Oo,
Trading for
new
Rookies,
leaders.
leaders, yes.
Yeah, grabe. Nakaka-excite, no? Mariel was one of
Yes.
our pioneer leaders doon.
Yes.
And
Shout
kumbaga,
out nga pala sa
nagkakaroon,
kanila.
Pass the baton,
And of
no? Nung
course,
last Saturday.
Yung youth traders natin, di ba? they're opening
Yes.
again. So yun, guys,
Oo.
you can visit, lalo na kayo sa mga youth dyan, no? Medyo graduate na kasi kami ni Raph. Charot.
Oo, on February. Actually, this ano na pala no. So, abangan nyo guys. We're opening our Discord again applications. So, sali kayo dyan. We're talking about a lot of things, NFTs, crypto space, PSE. So, tulungan tayo. We'll see you inside. So, yeah. So, simulan natin to.
Okay. Sige, let's talk
Um,
about the general market sentiment.
yeah,
Yan.
oo. So,
Tayo
guys, comment
matututo
kayo
kay
if ready na kayo. Yes,
Yan,
syempre,
comment
tingnan
kayo
mo
kung
natin
ready na
if
kayo.
ready sila. Right, ready. Tag nyo,
And
guys.
yan, sige.
Go,
Later on,
Mariel.
guys, pwede kayong mag-suggest ng mga coins nyo, ha? So that we can also, check the, bakit kayo nandun, di ba? Sige.
Yes. So, yan. If naliligaw kayo, bullish or bearish na ba yung market, itag nyo na yung mga ka-good day manager nyo dyan. No? I-discuss
Yes.
natin kung bullish ba tayo, bearish, risk on, or risk off. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So, guys, comment wag me.
Yes,
Okay,
let's comment wag me. Come on.
Di ba kakatapos lang natin sa Chinese New Year and naki-New Year tayo kasi yung January natin parang free trial lang.
Oh,
Nung
free trial lang
2022.
yun. Buwelo
Or
yun,
extension, oo, noong 2021. Kaya ngayon pa lang tayo ulit
Oo.
mag-New Year, guys. Okay,
Oo.
ready na? Ready na.
Yan. Ganda ng ano, ha? Dami nating viewers ngayon, so I think yung mga bulls.
Yes, let's go. Okay. Wag me. Let's go. So, if you have anything that you want us to discuss, chat nyo lang. If NFTs, abangan nyo yung Playworks na live. Right? So, today we're gonna just discuss the general crypto space. So, I'll share my screen. Okay. Simulan natin. Okay. So, kita na ba yung ating BTC? Okay, ikaw muna, Mariel.
Yan. Okay, so let's get, ako general sentiment ko, no? If we go to the weekly ni BTC, no? Sige, titingnan ko rin yung chart ko kasi medyo malabo sa akin ngayon, no? Nag-hold yung 100 MA sa weekly. So, that's a really good sign. And at the same time, the previous, huwag natin sabihin TSL, kahit simpleng support lang, no? Around the 28 to 30K area, halos hindi nga na-visit, no? So, this is a good sign. For me, that's strength, diba? And maraming mga coins ang nakikitaan ko ng pinapasukan na ng volume. So, alam ko meron na kayong mga sarili-sarili yung picks or probably may mga positions na kayo kahit sa spot man yan. 'Di ba? So, ikaw.
Ayun. So, kumbaga for you, Mariel, ang indicator mo is this
Yan.
one, the 100
with confluence dun sa previous, yung support na yan, yung ilang topic na support.
Oo, yan. Yung level na yan.
Tsaka ang gusto ko dyan, Raph, no? Ako rin, personally, ang gusto ko sa weekly niya, hindi siya nag-touch sa RSI 30 or nag-green minion. Green minion means nag-RSI 30 touch, or below. So, yan yung macro ko for me. Yan.
Alright. So, yun,
simple lang, no?
Simple lang,
hindi natin
lang.
pinapa-complicate po.
Yes. Alright. So, okay. Sa akin, since ako complicated
Yeah.
ako mag-isip ng macro kasi wala lang. Masarap Masarap, Kaya dilemma ko, guys, today is, biggest lesson is always trade what you see,
What
not
you
what you
see.
think.
Yeah, what you see.
Yeah.
Actually, nung last week sinasabi ko yung sarili ko, just trade what you see. Kung ano man
Yes.
yung pinapakita sa'yo, huwag mo na labanan. Kasi the market will do whatever it wants. Whether kasama ka o hindi. Mag-trade ka man o hindi gagawin niya, active pa din siya.
Yes.
So, ayun.
Alright. So, sige. Since let's talk about the general market sentiment. Okay? Ayan. So, kasi madami nagtatanong, ano ba, nakakatakot na ba? Bull market na ba? Bear market na ba? Right? Let's take a look. Syempre sa mga beginners rin. So, we're gonna approach this in a very
beginner friendly.
So, guys, if
approach,
meron kayong gustong invite sa crypto or ibudol, right? Comment, itag nyo na kasi this would be one of our, again, sa Happy New Year, one of our most beginner-friendly FGDs. So, kasi
babalik na ba sa monthly?
hindi kasi baka maybe a lot of here are, kumbaga, 2022 na, di ba? Pasok ako crypto. And baka mamaya naliligaw sila na parang, kasi we've been there this time last year. Doon tayo papasok sa crypto. And walang nag-guide sa atin. We were figuring things out. And today, ayan. So, if may kilala ko yung beginner sa crypto, guys, tag nyo na and let's journey with this together. Okay. So, alisin muna natin yung MAs, right? So, na-mention nga ni Mariel na we're holding this area with the confluence of the 100 MA, right? The 100
Yes.
weekly MA. So when we look at the price action wise, 'di ba? Yan, in the ZFT system, meron tayong tinatawag na Darvas box. So yung Darvas box na yan yung pan-determine natin ng buong range. So
Yan.
as we can see, right, ever since April of last year, right? So box extension, yan, and this week, right? Lagyan lang natin yan. Just one whole year. That's 300 days. Right? So for 300 days or 10 months, we've been in a whole range of this area of 69,000 and or 68,000, di ba? Pwede nyo lagay dyan, or in 28,000.
28. Yeah.
Right? So what we can conclude is since, right, alisin muna natin yung mga yung mga yellow line na yan para di magulo. So what we can see over here kay Bitcoin, meron tayo mga mini bear markets and mini bull markets. But at the end of the day, we are in a range, right? A big whole
Yes.
range, right? So we cannot say na parang bear market na tayo or secular bear market. Meaning ng secular bear market, guys, is kumbaga yung matagal na babagsak ka. But when we look at it in a higher time frame, like sinabi ni Mariel kanina, on a weekly basis, right? We're still above the 100 MA. And in the ZFT system, if you've been following the ZFT system, as long as price is in the 100 above 100 MA, that means, kumbaga, we can say na bullish pa tayo or uptrend, right?
Yes.
So, why do I want to focus, why did I highlight this range? Right? Kasi this range is very significant. Rather than thinking if it's a bull market or a bear market, right? Kasi at the end of the day, madaming crypto opportunities, guys. So I want you guys to think of it as being risk on or risk off, right?
Yan. Actually, yeah.
So, di ba? Kasi, for example, meron dito mga nagbe-bet into NFTs, di ba? And walang problema. Meron dito mga DeFi, mga pay to earn, and they're still
Yeah.
making a lot of money despite this range, right?
Yes.
So the edge talaga on investing on these days is studying price action. Right? So this one, guys, di ba? We're in a whole range, meaning we're just moving from this up, down, up, down, up, down. And in the Darvas box, right, eto, ano nga yun, Mariel, pag nandito? Pag top end, anong zone to? Pag, eto, nasa DB50.
E2 yung DB50 Tapos
Yeah.
E3 is yung breakout. Tapos validation yung E4.
Yan. So basically, when it's
yan.
above the DB50, kumbaga ano tayo dito, di ba? There's strength, there's kumbaga
Yeah.
bullish action, right? And then if it's here, below, it's bearish action. So kita natin sa price na it's below the whole range,
DB50,
this whole
yeah.
range, right?
Kumbaga,
DB50.
nasa below 50% pa rin ng mismong
Yes.
range na
And
yan. Yeah.
what we teach in the ZFT system is nagiging significant yung half line niya, yung DB50 if madaming touches. And tignan natin, right? We have touch here, nag-breakdown over there, right? Nag-breakdown, and then we have touches here as well. Nung nag-break out, dun siya nag-run up, and then kita natin nag-consolidate siya dito. Right? So we can conclude kasi we're using Bitcoin, right, as a reference of the whole market. So we can conclude na parang, okay, it makes sense na parang this area could be a significant area. And kung titignan natin, right, it's also the 50K area. Di ba? 50K area yan. So parang, okay, people can use this as a reference sa parang, okay, pag above 50K, para lang whole number, di ba? Okay na. Kumbaga, mag-risk on na ako. Now, why did I highlight the price action? Kasi yung price action, right, so sulatan lang natin para lang hindi kayo malito, right? We're talking about price action here. So this one, if above, risk on or bullish, di ba?
Yep.
And then if nasa baba, very simple, risk off.
But guys take note into consideration yung niche mo. Kasi there are people who would love to anticipate buys on the DB50 and below, assuming that it's creating a higher low. So, kakaiba pa rin. And lalo na pag yung time frame. So, this is on a macro perspective.
Yes.
Okay?
Sentiment
so, we're not
wise.
saying we're not saying don't trade the longs that you see.
Oo.
Even though we're saying where it's below DB50 on a macro scale. Because again, it nagde-differentiate yan depending on the time frame also. So, let's say daily, di ba? or hourly. So, yun lang naman.
Yeah, kasi the reason
Alright.
why we're talking about this kasi parang nagiging ano kasi, kumbaga yung FOD, right? Hala, ano na, end of
Oo.
the world na,
Yeah.
ganyan. Pero sometimes we need to take a step back and look at it in an objective perspective na parang, ha, teka,
Mhm.
okay lang naman pasok pa sa range Right? Kasi
Mm-mm.
pag titignan natin yung mga swings na to, ayan no, from that, grabe, 25%, and it's really panicking, right? But sometimes you need to look at the, bigger picture and yan. So this is a price action wise, guys. And now let me tell you, so okay, number one, DB50, itong 50K area, right? Number two,
Oo.
50K, diba? This area over here. And then number
Yes.
three, let me highlight this one. It's time, right? Time factor. What do I mean by time factor? When we look at the yearly chart, right? Yan, alisin natin. So, Raph, why are we looking at the yearly chart? The reason why we're looking at the yearly chart is so that we know sino yung in control for that time frame or for that year, right? If it's a green yearly candle, that means bulls are in control, right? It's a bullish year. If it's red, it's a bearish year. For example, this one, right? If you backtest, 2018 was a bearish year, but 2019, 2021 was a bullish year for Bitcoin. And right now, kung titignan natin, si Bitcoin, ito yung crucial area niya sa yearly chart.
Yeah,
46K.
nag-confluence.
Yan.
Oo.
46K na yan. Right? So, meaning, currently right now, we're still in a range where bears are in control. Right? Even if pataas na yung retracement niya, bears are still in control in the yearly chart. Now, pag tinignan natin yan, so ito, 46, di ba? 46, lagay natin. Yan, 46K, lagay natin dyan na yearly open.
Open.
Yan. Now, tignan natin, i-plot ulit natin yung DB, ba't nawala yung chart? Ayan, plot ulit natin yung DB50. Tignan nyo guys kung gaano kalapit yung area na yan. Right? See,
Naku po.
that over there is your crucial area of this.
Yan.
50K, your DB50, and your 46K. So right now, if nandyan ka, tinatawag natin yung sa ZFT system is the crossfire zone.
Yeah. Actually, ako, Raph, no? I'm anticipating a bullish retracement after the previous run-offs sa daily ng BTC. Yun talaga yung hinintay ko kasi ito na yung time na nagtitake profits na yung mga reversal traders or, booking the risk. So, yun, wala ba ako?
Yeah, totoo. Yan. Yeah, I agree kasi if we look at 20 MA, no? Talagang bumalik na siya, di ba? Na-breakout na niya.
Mm-mm.
Yung 20. Hello.
Ayan, akala ko nawala ako. O, sige, game.
Sorry guys, nasa Pilipinas tayo kaya medyo...
Oo, pareho kami nasa Pilipinas. Pasensya
so,
na.
makes sense, di ba? Kasi parang na-break na natin sa MA-wise, na-break na natin yung no? Yung 50, pati yung 20
Yeah.
MA. Right? So, ang dami na. Kumbaga, nagsistart na siya mag-show ng strength na baka pwedeng ma-break na niya tong level na to. Goods ba yun, guys?
Interesting. Yeah, interesting.
Goods. So, alam niyo na, parang, ito pala yung mga tinitignan na key levels na kung saan tayo pwede mag-watch out na parang ito na yung pwedeng shift ng market sentiment, right? Kasi
And
hindi
also,
naman
Raph,
mawawala
no,
yung
add
beat,
ko rin, no, na parang sakto, di ba, kasi nagkaroon siya ng reaction. Pwede siyang pwede. I'm not saying agad, kasi the market will do its thing. Pwede siyang gumawa ng, IHNS. Can you see the daily, di ba? Pwede, no? Pwede. Sige. Drawing.
Drawing natin. Ito yun, guys. This one.
Yan.
This
Yan.
one, no? Ito yung
Oh, yan. Yan.
This
Kita nyo,
one.
guys.
Then,
Tapos pwede pang isa pa. Yan.
Kailangan,
So,
which kailangan, di ba?
yeah, kailangan. Kasi tipi-tipi na yung mga naglo-long run or book your risk.
Yeah. We need that. Kumbaga, yung parang gantong move, no? Yeah, up,
Yeah.
down, up, down, up.
Yep.
Right?
Interesting pala, no? Nung tinignan ko yung yearly chart, paano kung naging pause year to?
Based ng ganyan. Based ng ganyan, di ba? Pag nangyari yan, hello guys. Hello? Ayan. Nawala ata si Mariel. So, hindi ko alam if
Ayun.
ako yung nawawala or si Mariel yung nawala. Okay, guys. Sorry ah. So, gets, guys? Gets nyo ba yun? Gets nyo
Yeah.
ba yung market sentiment natin?
Yes. Tsaka maganda dyan, no? Tama yung may nagsabi dito, retrace, tapos baka mag-support yung 50 MA. Yung usually, nag-a-align na yung mga MAs if naghahanda na sa bullish move. Diba? We know this naman. So,
Alright.
ayan. Alright. So, may
So,
iba
sorry guys if
tayo.
we're lagging like,
Oo.
I had bad internet in the past day. So, yan.
Nagsabay kami ni Raph. Pasensya na, guys.
Oo nga eh. Sorry.
Ayun,
Ayan.
sige,
So,
ano.
price action wise, no? Maganda. Ganda ng price action
Mhm.
niya. Like, galing. Okay.
So guys, yung mga ganitong discussions pala, no, normal to sa TR, as in people send their biases, they send charts. Syempre, hindi lang pwedeng hype na parang nagsasabi lang ng stock. No, they send their charts and if parang, uy, bullish na siya, and then there's this person na seeing it from another perspective na medyo, uy, parang ito kasi pwedeng mangyari, parang bearish, ganyan. So, ang maganda doon, ang healthy ng discussions inside TR, kasi super active ngayon ng crypto traders natin, no? Pansin ko
Yeah.
eh. Hindi na ako naka-backlead, pero yeah,
Totoo.
kudos to you guys, no?
Yep. So ngayon guys, very evident like may mga nanonood na Titans dyan. Kita natin yan sa crypto market. Again, caveat pa rin kasi eye outs tayo sa
Yeah,
daily
IELTS
and
tayo.
sa
Yes.
weekly AOTS tayo, no? Kumaga
Yes.
AOTS pa din tayo. So medyo choppy talaga yung market but kumaga plan lang guys, plan lang sa ganitong market. Madami pa rin
And
opportunities.
stay objective
madami
talaga.
opportunities.
Stay objective.
Oo.
Like, diba? Marami namang ways kumita. Hindi lang kailangan na if you're gonna trade the weekly perspective or weekly objective also, diba?
Yeah.
Dapat hindi nagiging panic sa'yo yung mga biglang sell-off sa 5-minute chart. Diba? Ang layo eh.
Yes.
So, be aligned. Yeah, be aligned.
Alright. So, guys, did that help you? Yung diniscuss namin ni Mariel, looking at the weekly chart, looking at the price action of the whole range, looking at the yearly chart. So, nakatulong ba yun?
Oo, nag-review talaga to si Raph, guys. Kasi Raph indicator tonight.
So, kailangan prepared tayo kasi ang dami talagang opportunity sa space. So, kailangan, yung market recognition is really important kasi guys here in this
Actually,
market. Okay.
So, yun. Sige.
Ano pang gusto mo i-discuss, Mark?
Pwede tayo mag-start mag-crypto crypto coins kasi may mga nag-suggest na before. I think may nag-suggest na SHIB.
SHIB.
Yeah, si SHIB. Ang funny kasi ni SHIB eh.
Oo. Yeah. And SHIB, right? So we have here, ikaw, ano sa'yo dito, Mariel?
Teka, hindi ko pa nakita si SHIB eh. Sige, ikaw muna.
So, yan, si SHIB right now is talaga nag-run up siya, no? But we're facing resistances sa 100 MA and sa RSI 70.
70.
So,
okay. So, ako, bias ko dito is after this run up, pwedeng mag-healthy consolidation siya for a bullish move or pwedeng kasi this is what we call short-term awareness phase na eh. Diba? So, we have the bearish move and then the awareness phase wherein bulls try to call the other bulls. And the reversal traders try to book the risk or take profits na. So, there's that. Gusto ko yung mga ganito. Tapos abangan ko kung ano yung level na pwede siyang mag-retrace. But caveat lang din, it's below 100 MA. Nakita naman natin, no, nag-react, diba? Kahapon and the other day. So, let's see from here.
Tapos ito pa, no? Resistance pa, price action, no?
Yep.
Okay.
Ang ano ko rin kasi dyan, Raph, ang maganda sa ginagawa niya kasi ngayon, nandito siya sa parang TSL area niya or yung previous Darva stop na binrate niya kahapon. Yan, diba? Previous, kasi may previous yan eh, yung isa. Yan. So, that's a previous, syempre, resistance din na parang, dyan siya nagkukon. So, yun yung kagandahan sa kanya nun. Yan. sa daily.
Pwede.
Yun.
Kung merong kung may Doge last year, may shift this year.
Oh, hindi, tsaka
Not
alam ko
financial
parang
advice,
pumitik
guys.
ata to. Yeah, not financial. I think pumitik to kasi sa isang tweet ni Elon. So we're not relying on
naman.
those things. Nakita lang
Oo.
namin late na. Yeah, okay. So yun.
So, daily, right? So, I would watch list this kasi number one,
But then, inad ko na.
yeah, ilang days siya, parang ilang weeks siya ever since November. Nag-below RSI 50, tas ngayon, above RSI 50 siya. So, baka pwede to.
Distribution, parang sa longer term, distribution phase na niya, di ba? Yan, nagkaroon
Oo.
siya ng topish mania move ngayon, distribution phase. Let's just see, from this short-term downtrend, kung nagtatry na siya mag-recover from that. Let's just see.
Oo.
Kasi,
Yeah.
again, di ba, it's still below 100 MA, nag-react siya. So, possible, naghanap yan ng low of support, di ba? Bullish
Yeah.
support naman. So, that's good pa rin.
Laki pala ng range nito, no?
Yun nga eh.
20%.
Kaya actually, gusto yan namin nila Mikhail.
Yeah.
Yun, no?
If
Shout
day
out kay
trader ka
Mikhail.
pala, dapat nasa watchlist mo to.
Oo, Makati yung flux niyan. Grabe. Yeah.
Maganda yung pitik niya, oh. Mga 50%. Grabe. Right? So, risk management pa rin, guys, ha? Despite yung gantong volatility ng coin.
Yep.
Right? Ng token. Right? Yan, SLP daw.
Interesting yan si SLP, no?
USDT.
I think this is medyo tungkol din siya sa NFT, no? Hindi siya yung parang tinitrade mo siya as in tinitrade, but napapagalaw siya because of fundamentals
Updates.
niya na,
Yeah.
updates ng laro. Diba? So, bumitik siya. Nagkaroon ng follow-through today, which is, hello mga ka-Axie. Good day, manager.
Yeah, oo. Nabasa ko ROI, Return of Scholars.
Alright. Ikaw, ano masabi mo kay SLP? Sana yan na yun, no? Magkaroon siya ng parang higher lows from that. Kasi, it's supposed to create now, eh.
Yeah, I mean like chart-wise, di ba? Nag-ano na siya. Isipin mo, Brad, all-time low na consolidation at the lows.
strong downtrend talaga. Kaya nga sabi ko let's say, kasi I think from the bottom talaga, I think 120 to 30% ata yan. Sino pipili doon, di ba? Knowing na it's really an all-time tingnan natin. Mga anticipation na siguro sa funda.
And currently, right now,
yeah,
RSI 70 na siya. So, it could resume again. Ayouts pa rin siya sa daily.
Yep.
This is a downtrend pa rin. Madami pa rin holders dyan. Kailangan mag-redistribute ng holders, right? But what's very interesting kay SLP is yung 4R niya. Kitang-kita sa 4R niya na yung 100 MA.
Yeah, na-crossover.
Yung MA. Yeah. So we have here, di ba? Yan, 100 MA dyan. Right? And then, nag-reach siya every time ng 100 MA, 100 MA, ang dami, 4, hindi niya ma-break yung 4R. And then we have here 8. Grabe, 8 times siya, Brad, bago nag-breakout sa 100 MA ng 4 hours. So we can conclude, we can trail this if you're holding SLP, right? If you're betting on the trend to reverse, then maybe you can take a look at this, right? You can take a look at this. Okay, SLP.
Actually, what's interesting din pala sa NFT na to, no? Kasi I still have other, say, Axie teams. Kapag maghahanap ako ng scholar, they're still really interested. So you can really see sino yung who's really in it because they enjoy the game versus pera, ganyan. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Interesting.
So, again, guys, if you're holding SLP, just identify certain key levels, identify support, resistances, ayan, no? So, na-break na niya to. Currently, we are now...
to the moon.
Oo, we are now at resistance. Kita natin, nag-react na nga. Nagkaroon na ng partial reaction. Right? So, yung lipad na yan, kailangan rin yan ng bumagsak ng konti para maging healthy yung move niya. If you want this to reverse talaga to a healthy uptrend, it needs to go down somehow. Right?
Kasi for me, Raph, medyo unhealthy. Okay naman, pero unhealthy yung from all-time low, bigla nag-RSI 70.
Oo.
Isipin mo na lang, naka-consolidation at the highs ka, balik ta rin mo, tapos bigla nag-RSI 30, I mean, na green name yun. Parang, di ba? Kailangan natin ng healthy, sustainable move. Yan. Alright. So, meron dito, no?
Alright.
Gala.
Gala.
Gusto nila ng gala.
Gala.
Actually, no, pansin ko sa mga coins na, mga picks nyo, guys. They're the ones na hindi mo trying to reverse. Let's just say, nagtatawag ng bulls. Kasi, si Gala, kahit hindi yan nag-close ngayon ng RSI 70, let's say, ganyan yung candle mo, nag-touch siya ng RSI 70 sa daily. Diba? Ganon din, si SLP. Nakita niyo yung move. Pero, ang hahanapin nyo na lang is, sino doon yung mas malakas? Meaning to say, yung above MAs, yung AOTS pa rin, nasa na siya sa market cycle niya, yung ganon. Ako, it's a matter of sino pa prioritize mo eh.
Yeah.
Kaya we do these things, yung watch listing, kasi, pare-pareho sila ng parang ginagawa, but at the same time, yung structure, sino mas lamang, nung bumabagsak si BTC, sino yung maganda yung or healthy yung consolidation niya, hindi siya sumasabay kay BTC, mga ganon. No? So, ayan.
Yan.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo kay Gala, Raph?
Same, add ko lang is, we're currently at resistance, di ba? So, expecting healthy retracements. Pero could be a possible mover pa din, di ba? Kinain lang niya to, no? Binisita niya to.
Oo nga eh.
Kinain lang niya. So
parang imagine mo na lang na parang ang laki ng head, tapos ang liit ng left shoulder. Ngayon, tignan natin kung gaano kalaki yung yung right shoulder niya.
Yan, ganyan lang, no? Cute.
Oo, cute. Mukha na siya.
So, drawing, di ba? So, ayan. This is for Gala, no? And
yeah.
Sa 4R. And AOTS sa 4R, no? So, ayan. Ano pa? Cardano. Ida. Drawing. Okay. Ano nangyari dito kay Cardano? Ngayon ko lang siya ulit natigil.
Actually, tinagal ko to sa watchlist ko, matagal na ito. I'm not saying na hindi siya it's just that sa akin hindi siya pasok. Sa akin lang naman. Ako lang.
Yeah, ako din. Yeah.
It's below 100 MA. Makita nyo guys, yung iba, halos RSI 60 to 70, touching previous resistance, parang nire-retest na yun, di ba? Gusto i-break. And then you're here, sa ganito. So what can you say about it?
Alis na kayo dito. Kung trade nyo to, di ba?
Exactly.
Parang hindi naman worth it, guys. Parang mas madaming worth it na Huwag kayong magpa-hype kasi ito si Cardano. Si Cardano, alam ko guys na isa siya sa may mga solid na community. Pero again nga, if trading yung objective nyo, kailangan charts. It's you and the charts dapat talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Parang
medyo short term to medium ka.
Yeah. Parang 'di ba, bibili ka kasi nag-divergence sa sa gantong time frame tapos mag-hodl ka kasi maganda yung community. Parang hindi naman aligned 'yon, 'di ba, guys?
Oo, hindi aligned. So mangyayari, parang sarili mo eh. Pinapakalma mo na lang. Habang babagsak. But again, I'm gonna repeat it, no? Kung i-compare mo siya sa other coins, they are retesting their previous resistance, trying to break out. They're creating higher lows. Tapos makita nyo, trying to create momentum, let's say, RSI 70 touch. Tapos ang ganda ng consolidation, forming, I don't know, let's see, inverse head and shoulders. And then you're here. What are you going to say about yourself? This is why, we do watch listings talaga.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And it's very choppy, right? Yung move niya, very choppy, going up, then down. I mean, maybe unless mag-short ka dito. And just need, in order guys to pick good coins or good names to trade, is you also need to look at the risk-reward ratio mo. Yung RRR mo na parang, ito yung cut ko, especially we're trading a very risky asset or a very volatile asset. Kailangan as much as possible, precise yung entry nyo and you enter at the lowest risk with the highest reward as possible.
Tapos let's say pumitik to, no, Raph? Mari pumitik siya. O yan, sabi nyo kasi wag kayo watch this, ganyan, tingnan nyo pumitik. Ako, I would rather miss that move than to trade,
Oo.
than to keep trading those kinds of moves. Kasi ano ba win rate mo niyan pag nangyari yan? O baka si Ada lang nakuha mo sa ganyang ano, 'di ba? Ako, personal take ko lang yun. Kasi doon tayo sa repeatable as much as possible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maganda yun, no? That's a nice point of discussion. Kasi for example, na-watchlist mo siya, pero okay, sinabi ng ganito, nag-watchlisting kami ng mga ka-AGs ko, sabi nila, hindi maganda, hindi to proper. Pero pumitik, as nagkaroon ng news or something, right? Maganda yung sinabi mo na you wanna wait for that bullish confirmation if you wanna really put this in your
Yes.
strong watch list. Kasi,
Yep.
kumbaga, opportunity cost eh. 'Di ba? Na papanoorin mo tong name na to. Not just only for this name, kumbaga other names as well na may magandang news, magandang community, 'di ba? Para lang hindi kayo mahirapan, take a look at the chart, and if it's not magandang structure niya, right? Kasi price will follow eh. 'Di ba? Price will follow kung ano talaga nangyayari doon sa project or sa crypto na 'yun. If malakas talaga
And
'yan, may
yeah,
buyers
ako,
'yan.
important din talaga yung market recognition, no? Like, where are you in the market? Tapos,
Oo.
where are you in this, saan ka sa market cycle ng coin na to? Kasi let's say ito, nasa downtrend pa, yung kabila, nasa awareness phase
Oo,
na
yeah.
to ano, 'di ba? To breaking their boss breakouts, mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos you're
Teka.
stuck with this one, 'di ba? Parang sayang oras.
Yeah.
Eh, ikaw,
Teka,
why are you
compare
trading, 'di ba?
natin. Yeah.
Sige. Yan. Para naman magets yung gist, 'di ba?
Oo. Teka, compare natin.
Okay. There are people here who's asking na good to invest. Sorry, boss, we do not answer yes or no if it's good to invest on something. Di or pa rin, no? That's why we have this caveat dito sa ticker natin.
Yeah. So for example, right, this one, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Very clear na dito pa lang very clear na you're seeing bullish candles, then this one
Yes.
gaining strength. So, yun. Ganun lang, guys. Right.
Interesting din pala, Raph, no? Meron dito nagtanong about Solana. We can talk about Solana.
Sige. Pero para after Solana, may AXS pa. Para
Yeah,
at least
AXS
nakatapos
also.
lang natin kay SLP. Para kaduktong. Ayan.
Mahal ko to si Solana eh, as a block.
Sige.
Pero hindi ko gusto yung ginagawa niya recently.
Ayan.
Like I said, no, I've seen other coins touching previous resistances. Retesting RSI 70. And then, hindi, si Solana pala yun. Sorry, hindi nag-load sa akin chart ko. Sige, mamaya na lang
AXS
yun.
to. AXS.
Si AXS muna pala, si AXS. Si AXS naman, fundamental wise kasi medyo sumasabay siya sa news ng Axie, no? So, I guess nag-release kasi, kaya pumitik. So, ako, pag mga ganyan, hindi ko alam kung inisip ko, sustainable ba tong move na to? Na kaya siya binili ng mga tao because of news. Baka naman, alam mo, nagte-take lang sila ng opportunity and then they're gonna sell down, or they're gonna sell off again, tapos magkakaroon na naman ng another strong move. Nagigets mo yung point of view ko doon. Kapag mga ganyan yung parang reason as to why it's, I know naman na for some people, they don't care about the reason, basta pumitik lang. But this is kasi heavily din siya naapektuhan nung, di ba, ng NFT niya. Next is it's on a strong downtrend pa rin despite this pitik kasi nga again it's below 100 MA. So ikaw Raph, ano masasabi mo kay AXS?
Yeah. Agree. AXS kasi Axie happened, and currently when we're gonna look at it technical wise, no, madami siyang resistances. Ayan, no, ito may resistance siya dyan. Kumbaga sobrang swak nung MAs natin. 50 MA may resistance, 100 MA may resistance. So if you wanna trade this, or right, if you wanna
basta manage your risk,
Oo, yeah. Best kasi guys if you're trading, kasi this is counter trend trading. Right? You're trading against the trend. So as much as possible, you want to buy on the swings and then sell on the resistance. For example, dito ka nakabili sa green candle na to, right? Benta ka sa 50 MA. That's a 40% with a risk ng parang 13%. That's at least 1:3. Right?
Yep.
So,
pero
ayun.
kasi, Raph, gaano katagal bago yan pumitik? Dapat, diba?
Yes, exactly. Oo.
Kasi baka mamaya, di ba, si Shib before nung massive run-up niya last year, ang
tagal
tagal
nun.
niya nagko-conso dun sa baba, bago yung So, may mga taong willing kasi talagang maghintay. May kilala ko, 1 year niya nakahawak si Shib. So, Sa kanya talaga, tanggap niya na pinasok niya yun. Yung parang set and forget lang siya. Naglagay siya ng cut, sinayaan na niya. For more than a year niyang hawak yun eh. So that's, di ba? Isipin niyo rin yun.
Yeah.
Right.
So, ganito kasi guys, maybe, let's say hindi niya na maalis yung fundamentals. Right? So, okay lang naman yun. But, if you wanna go into a trade to be as objective as much as possible, use technical analysis. Sabi nga nito, I think Edward Lee ko to natutunan, the founder ng COL, is fundamentals tells you where to look. Technicals tells you how to trade it. Right? So, nakita niyo, may news si Axie. Tignan niyo kung maganda yung chart. If nag-consolidate sa gantong support, baka maganda na yung RRR niya. Right? So, maybe that's something you guys wanna remember. So, para at least malagay niyo yung thin line na parang, okay, ito yung use ko ng technicals, ito yung use ko ng fundamentals. Right?
Alright,
let's go. Okay, sa favorite muna tayo. Kay Solana.
Guys, love ko yan, Solana. Solana blockchain. But the thing is, may hinihintay ako kay Solana na move. Because, let's face it, like I said, no, yung ibang coins, they're retesting previous resistances already. Sinasabayan si BTC run up. Tapos si Solana, andito siya sa RSI 50 niya, binabato niya yung sarili niya dyan. But what's interesting is, healthy pa rin naman siya on a short-term perspective din. Kasi, distribution phase ng ginagawa niya ngayon eh. So, this is something that I learned inside the tribe. You are going, kapag after ng mania phase ng isang coin or stock, tapos isa-stock mo yung distribution phase na titingnan mo yung strength niya dun sa distribution phase. Okay? Kasi usually, may mga coins or stock na after a distribution phase, talagang babagsak muna ulit, tapos magre-reset. Tapos titingnan mo gano'ng kalakas yung downtrending niya dun sa reset na yon. So may ganun. So ako, okay pa rin ako sa akin si Solana, pero may hinintay ako sa kanya. No? Ikaw, Raph.
Yeah, I can see na Solana has a very similar structure with AXS, right?
Yep.
AOTS, IOUTs.
IOUTs.
Then it bounced on significant previously resistance, now support.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And if you want this to see, kailangan na usin yung MAs niya. Again, dito, MA50 or this level 135 will be a crucial area for Solana.
Yep.
So if you're a trader, ayan, tingnan mo, worth it ba yung RRR niya? Don't pay this game. Right?
Tapos yung cut mo, no? Tignan mo lang. Yung cut mo pwede yung below 20 MA.
Yeah. Then dito yung TP mo.
Pwede, diba?
Something like that, guys. Right? If you want to swing these moves kasi alam mo naman may attention, but just wait for the perfect RRR for you.
Ayun. Yeah. Dami, no? Actually, meron pala nag-volunteer kanina, Mana, Brad. Astin to si Mana.
So guys,
no?
pansin namin na mga nire-request nyo are more on the NFT coins, more on the NFT games. Don't worry kasi in the future, right? Abangan nyo yung Playworks because we're gonna cover those things na mga in-depth talaga. Na parang in a mindset of an investor, in the mindset of a flipper, right? So abangan nyo yan. Join Playworks server, right?
Interesting.
So, Mana. Lakas.
What can you say? Ang maganda kay Mana, no? Nag-ZS na siya sa daily.
Mm-hmm.
Ang ganda niya sa daily. Parang, kung masustain niya yung move niya ngayon, no, pwedeng mag-hold na tong area ng 100 MA niya. Pero grabe, ang lakas niya, no? Ilang percent na siya from the previous, I think, current low. Grabe, 100+%, Brad.
It's interesting, Look, guys, tingnan yung buong range niya.
Yep.
DB50, nasa lower end, pero tingnan nyo, dito siya nag-resist.
Yep.
Ito, yan. So, ito, pwede tayo resistance dyan. So, saktong-sakto, nasa DB, RSI 70 tayo. Pero watch this natin to. Kasi ibig sabihin, kasi, di ba, Brad, pag nandito na yan, above na yan, tapos dito na yan nag-hover above the zone 3, di ba? Goods na yan.
Tsaka what's interesting din kay Mana, no? Kapag na-overcome niya na yung area na yun. Actually, may kamukha siyang stock eh. May kamukha siyang stock. Hindi ko lang, ayaw na lang sabihin. Para sa PSE eh. Pero hindi ko sure kung ganyan na ganyan eh. Pero nagkaroon siya ng ganyang move. Tapos after niya makonquer yung DB50, Ang ganda na ng consolidation niya. Tapos yun, nag-boss breakout and all-time high.
Oh.
So, hindi ko sinasabi guys na ganyan gagawin ni Mana. Ayan na nga ba. But anyway, sige.
Ganda. Watch this to see you, man.
Ako din watchlist ko yan.
Yeah, kasi
Kaya
DNA
gusto ko
ni
yung mga ganito
Mana.
natin, Raph eh. Nag-watchlist na rin ako kasama
Yeah.
mo.
Kumbaga kasi DNA ni Mana, no? If nag-momentum siya, momentum moves talaga. Right?
Yep.
Tapos maganda yung mga candle spreads niya, no? 30%,
Oo.
20%. Good.
Mga day traders natin inside the tribe yan. Gustong-gusto yan tinatrade si Mana.
Yeah. Alright. Saan tayo?
Alright.
Next.
Saan tayo? Grabe, 50 minutes na pala tayong live, Raph.
Oo nga eh. Tuloy lang
Sige,
natin yan.
Si Waxp, gusto mo ba? Kasi nasa NFT na rin naman na tayo eh.
Paxp. Ode lang.
Waxp favorite. Hold on. Hindi, hindi, guys. It's still clear na IZS, but let's just say na some people are still holding Waxp because their objective is investment. Investment yung nila, hindi trading. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero meron naman sa risk-reward ratio na ano.
Ito guys, support ni Waxp sa RSI 50. RSI 50, MA 50 sa weekly. Right? So, as you can see, alisin natin yung ibang MAs para clear.
Nag-mini ZS na pala siya sa daily. Yeah. Okay pala eh.
So, sige, there you have it. Just trail the MA 50 weekly.
Siguro tier, ano ko to?
Right?
Tier.
And you're gonna be good with this.
Rank ko dito ABC, no? Siguro ano ko siya? Charlie or Beta.
Charlie.
Ako
just taking a look at this since we have investments
investments as well ako din. Sige, next.
So chill lang dito kay Wax.
Ay Brad, nakalimutan ko pa yung background music natin. Teka.
Okay lang yan. Mahina internet natin so baka hindi kaya. Sorry guys, nagtitipid kami sa bandwidth. Okay. Sige pa.
Ayan. Meron ano pala dito kanina, si One USDT.
Matic. The joke one pala, iba pala 'yan. Harmony 1.
Yan si Harmony.
Alright. So Harmony 1 is
reversal trade to, no? Brad, reversal trade to si One.
Malakas si One kasi nag-double bottom siya, right? Here.
Yep.
And just needs to break this area at 0.25. So, kita naman natin, 'di ba? Kung saan nag-aano yung 50 and 100 MA. Let's see sa upper time frame if may crucial level to.
Guys, right now kami ni Raph, we're trying to make it really beginner friendly and simple. Pero inside the tribe kasi, when we do this FGDs talaga, more on the setups, details, parameters na talaga pinag-uusapan namin. So, right now we're making it simple kasi nakakalito rin naman, sabihin mo ganito yung parameters. But some people, they don't even know paano i-execute yun, what's the behind it. So, we're making it really simple on our live sessions. But at least, nakakasunod yung iba, lalo na yung mga new to trading, right? So, yun yung objective namin ni Raph. Okay? So, yun.
Next natin si Swap para kay John Ray.
Oo nga
so, natin yan.
Si Juan. Right. May kilala akong favorite niya si Juan eh. Juan yung paborito niya i-trade. Pero ngayon, because ZS trader, hindi niya muna tina-trade ulit si Juan. Kasi yun nga, below 100 MA.
Si Juan kasi DeFi to, alam ko eh. It's a DeFi
talaga
coin.
ba?
I think. Right, Harmony 1. Kaya very rangy yung niya, very rangy yung galaw niya. So, ayan. Tapos, so si Juan, just identify key. Currently kasi, past-wise, no, maganda yung momentum moves ni Juan. Right? We have over here. Pero parang nagbabago na siya, di ba? From momentum, naging trend following. And currently right now, it's in a big sideways. Yep. So if you're in within its ecosystem, right? You're putting in money in its different projects within Harmony 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Baka pwede kasi kumaga if nag-liquidity farming anyway, guys, baka masyado nang malalim 'yun, no? Basta 1 is in a big range, 'yun na lang. So if you're trading this, make sure that you find good RRR setups. Right? So again, traders tayo, we go where the money is, we go where the trend is. And right now, wala masyadong trend si Harmony 1, so pass muna tayo doon. Alright, sige.
Yeah, sige. Yun. Actually, ang dami
Para
na, no?
sa
Sige. Siguro
idol
mga
natin.
last, gusto mo ba patagalin yung FGD natin or stick tayo
Sige.
sa 1 hour?
Try natin if natapos natin to.
Sige, ito.
Tingnan natin.
Alam ko
Madami pa
may nag-ano
tayong
kanina.
viewers eh.
Si People, USDT Perp.
Ito muna si Swap
Hindi Perp.
para si John Ray.
Sige. Si John Ray.
So si Swap, guys, yan, support naman. Right? If you're if you have money on this and you're investing, right? Kumaga support, identify your support lang. And yeah, it's holding 0.9. Right? Big range. So
Ito ba yung swap natin, Raph?
yeah, chill lang.
Okay.
This one. So chill lang, 'di ba? Chill lang
Okay.
naman. Let it stay there.
Okay pa rin.
Right. Kasi in investments as much as possible, you don't want volatility. Right?
Ako din. Yeah, I don't. Pinititignan ko lang din sila, pero ayoko siya yung... Kasi, di ba, may pros and cons din yung volatility na gano'n eh.
Yep.
So, yeah.
So, guys, yung mga na-review natin, pwede nyo naman siya review.
Yeah, pwede nyo replay to
after ng
video.
live.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ito, how
Beginner
about
tayo.
People USD.
Good to. People USDT. Favorite to ng isang mentor natin. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Alpha. Kung nanonood
tsaka ni
siya.
Mick.
Favorite.
Actually, si People, guys, it's an all-time low, 'di ba? Previous RSI 30 touch. So, ang previous trades ng mga TR traders natin dyan is shorting. Yeah, shorting. Pero grabe pala, no? Nag-ano na pala to? Nag-mini ZS.
Kasi guys, bakit kumaga we'll walk through you bakit to nata-trade ng mga inside
Gusto ko yan.
Kasi 'di ba, Mariel, what we do is we just go to the lower time frame and treat it as daily na parang, uy, eto, na siya. 'Di ba, meron, I think, merong inside TR, 'di ba, nakabili siya sa ZS ng People and then na-ride niya ata. So,
Shout out sa kanya, no?
Oo, sa TR. If nabili lang niya, guys, dito, ZS ng People and then ni-ride na niya. Ayun, no?
Yeah.
So, if you look parang daily, AOTS, ganyan, tapos short. Yan, short. I think dito nag-short si Sir Alpha, di ba?
Yep. alam mo, no? Pero alam ko, oo, na parang he's looking for div also and sinabayan kasi ni BTC ata yan. Yeah. So guys, no, kapag sinabi natin ZS, let's say, ano yun?
Yeah, sorry,
Mariel,
guys,
lahat ba
wala
ng ZS? Lahat ba ng ZS i-trade, ganyan? Pwede, pero alamin mo yung win rate mo. Kasi there are failed IZS, diba? We might not talk about it, but there's failed IZS. Like dyan sa certain consolidation ng ZS ni People sa Arlie, nagkaroon niya ng failed yung una niyang touch, diba? It's just a matter of managing your risk when you're anticipating or riding or inientihan mo si ZS. Diba? Kasi may mga kilala ako na magaling talaga sila sa ZS, kapang-kapa nila. Pero meron ding hindi kasi yun nga parang yung anticipation nila at the same time hindi nila nababuy back after the failed ZS, parang nag-IZS, mga ganun. So, yan guys, ito yung mga bagay na pinag-uusapan natin inside TR whenever we do FGDs.
Yeah.
So, yan.
So, yung mga nitty-gritty na parang bakit nagkamali, ba't to nag-fail, right? Ano yung nakita namin within this time, mali ba yung alignment namin sa market, right? So, these are the things we talk inside TR, right? So,
Alright.
yan. What else should we...
Si Matic.
Rose. Sige, Matic.
Sige,
Matic.
si Rose.
Another...
Sige, Matic.
Matic.
Sorry guys, may nakalaban.
Another ecosystem
Oo,
point.
Polygon.
Right?
No? Polygon, yeah.
Right. Matic
Out sa
network.
Polygon.
So, sideways. Guys.
Nako. Ako lang ba nawala ko
Tapos
si
siyang clear
Raph?
trend. Hindi. Nag-ka na talaga. Hello? Okay na ba?
Ayan. Okay na.
So, we have here, Matic, right? Range. Big range. Diyan ka ba, Mariel?
Oo, nandito. Titignan ko rin.
Wala akong masabi kasi range siya eh. Di ba? Yun lang talaga eh.
Oo. Yeah,
Diba?
actually guys, even though it's ranging on the daily, I'm not saying you cannot trade it. Because ako, I personally trade na hourly. So just because it looks ganyan sa daily doesn't mean I won't trade it. Kasi risk-reward pa rin siya sa hourly. Kung kasi hourly objective ko or day trade. So may mga kakilala rin ako na gano'n. Diba? Parang, ang ganda naman ng range niya eh. Kung iti-trade ko siya, maganda yung pwede niya bilhin na range sa daily. Tapos, hourly yung bias ko na ito lang yung cut ko, hindi yung daily cut. Parang gano'n. So, iba-iba. Ito, guys, pasok na kayo yung TR, yun na lang.
So, the reason why we're talking about it in a daily perspective is, syempre, as beginners, ayaw namin na parang papasok agad kayo sa intraday o day trading, ganyan.
Sa intraday, sa ganyan. Kasi, nag-start din ako sa PSE, daily talaga titignan natin.
Yeah. You need to master this first before you drill down on the ZS is, Zeus strike. So, parang if price goes above the 100 MA.
Pag nag-crossover siya, ma'am McKay, sa 100 MA, that is what we call a Zeus strike. So, yeah.
Yeah. Yun.
Okay.
Ano tayo? Rose tayo?
Yeah, Rose.
Yeah, this PF lang to, guys. Very simple. Remove nyo yung 100 MA lang.
Whenever we say TF, guys, it means parang nagtitrail siya sa isang MA, right? So, paano siya papasukan? So, kung ang DNA niya nasa trail ng 100 MA, pwede mo siyang pasukan kapag nag-touch siya ulit sa 100 MA. Tapos, set ka ng
or
cut.
Near. Yeah.
Near it. Yeah, near. Kasi nga, yun yung DNA or yun yung TF niya. Diba? But expect na medyo kasing lag niya yung MA niya. Diba? Kasi tingnan nyo, nag-touch sa 100 MA, akyat, biglang babalik sa 100 MA. So, set expectations lang din. Okay? Yun.
Yeah. Alright. I think last natin, AVAX.
AVAX. Actually, no, gusto ko rin si AVAX eh. Pero as, wait, may drawing. What's interesting pala kay AVAX, no? Kasi, pumitik siya kahapon.
From the lows?
Diba? Kahapon, from the lows. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng Ang gusto ko sa kanya kahapon, Raph, is nagkaroon siya ng, sa volume kasi parang hindi namang anomaly, pero may pumasok na malaking volume. So, tinitignan ko kasi yun eh. So, tinignan ko yun. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng ganun. So, parang sabi ko, okay, usually kasi kung sa crypto, galing siya from a downtrend, a short-term downtrend, tapos pumitik ng ganun kalakas, magkakaroon siya ng retracement, tapos pwedeng magkaroon ng follow-through or pause the next day. So, Kaya yung gusto ko yung ginagawa ni AVAX ngayon. But let's see if ano gagawin niya from here, no? Kasi nga, as much as possible, we wanted to create a higher low man lang, diba? Kasi sometimes, Raph, no, kapag sunod-sunod na green, parang sabihin, ay, wala nang higher low, na late na ako. Hindi mo alam, yung higher low niya, nasa 4R, which makes it stronger kasi naging short term lang yung pag-visit or paggawa niya sa 4R. Ay, sa 4R. Yeah, sa higher low, diba? So, I'm not saying na porket sunod-sunod siya na green sa daily, ay, wala nang higher low. Minsan, pwede mo siyang tignan on 4R para makita yung structure. Yan. Para makita yung structure. Yan. That's why I like AVAX. Yan yung di ba sabi before natin mag-start, si AVAX yung top, pick ko din. Nice. Pero yun, for a different time frame, hindi sa daily, yun lang. Hindi siya pang auto. Yeah.
Ganda yun gandang point yun. So, there's AVAX. So, nothing to add naman. At ako siguro, key trigger lang is if na-break tong 95 area.
Yep, yan din.
So,
yan.
very naman very evident naman. Like, MAs nandyan, tapos meron siyang previous, right, then significant number na 95. So, that's for AVAX. Yan.
Alright.
Sige, let's sabi ni Zerv, Atom and FTM, since nasa, siya big coins rin naman siya sa Binance. Let's take a look at Atom, right, big range din. So, pag range, guys, pass na natin yan, ha? Yan.
Yeah.
So,
Kapag ka-daily yung trade nyo, Pero again, watch this pa rin kasi higher lows, diba? Nasa 100 MA. Unlike yung kanina talaga, no offense
below,
na below 100 MA. Kumbaga guys, lagyan nyo ng tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Kumbaga, sino yung alpha mo, sino yung beta mo, sino yung Charlie mo. Diba? So kapag super bullish yung market, stick to your alphas. So yun, pwedeng gano'n.
Right. And then our last
Right.
one for tonight is FPM. Yan, big range din. Yan din. Halos parang sila itsura ni Atom. Yan. Yeah, same sa
Grabe,
level ni
no?
Mariel.
Actually, with this conversation we're having, Raph, na-realize ko, kita mo na agad kung sino yung mga coins na pwede magpakita ng lakas. I'm not saying malakas, pwedeng magpakita ng lakas because of
Yes.
what they're doing. Ulitin ko, it's just as simple as where is the price right now after the massive, hindi naman massive, but short-term downtrend. Where is the price right now?
Yeah.
Diba? What is it retesting? What is the structure like? Yan, just weigh it out. Weigh it out. Kasi nakikita ako na rin Parang guys, right now, nakapag-watch na rin ako on my own. So, ayan. Thank you. All right.
So, that's it for tonight, guys. I hope you learned. That's how we do it, inside of ZFT. Right? I hope you learned something out of this FGD. If may mga questions kayo, we always do this regularly naman, twice or at least twice a month.
Twice a month,
right?
yeah.
So we'll see you again, guys. If you're interested, message yun yung page, how to join TR, ganyan. And meron tayong free again, trading for rookies, sali kayo doon. So lahat na
Dami
guys,
natin mga pa-freeze, guys.
Oo, lahat
Yun
na
lang.
kailangan nyo as a beginner, meron na kami. So hanapin nyo na lang. Alright? If
And
you're used,
guys, I'm just saying din na we're trying to make it simple sa live. So as much as possible, makasabay din yung mga, like kanina, diba? What is zftribe po? What if we, kasi guys, kapag pinag-usapan natin yung mga advanced na masyado, mas stuck tayo sa isang concept trying to explain something. So as much as possible, we
tama.
try to make it really simple. But inside Trading Republic, on our crypto FGDs,
Oo.
mga exclusive ones, talagang into details yan, parameters, ganyan. Minsan mapapalo ka pa ng mentor or ng trading leader. Bakit mo to ginawa? Ano bang sinasabi mo? Ano ba yung reason behind it? We dig deeper. Ayan. So, yun.
Alright. So may question si Heart. Ano po masasuggest nyo sa mga bago sa trading? So again, we have Trading for Rookies. It's a free Facebook group. We also have a Discord for that. So sali lang kayo. Search nyo lang here sa Facebook, Trading for Rookies by ZFT. So it's a free Facebook group. All the basic resources for traders there. Risk management, MAs, yung mga ginamit natin. MAs mo, Darva 1. So, yes, may replay to.
Yeah.
Bumibigay nata rin yung internet ni Mariel. So, thank you.
Hindi, ako ang masasuggest ko is invest on yourself. Pero pwedeng through time, pwede rin through yung ganito na parang meron kaming mga technical intensive, mga inside TR. So, yun yung masasuggest ko. But ikaw bahala kasi sometimes pwede mo naman siya gawin for free, no? We have Trading for Rookies. But sometimes kasi yung oras din it's better na guided ka. It's better din na nakasystematize na yung aaralin mo. That's for me lang naman.
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you so much, Mariel. And thank you everyone for watching. We really appreciate your time. See you guys again in our next FGD. Bye, guys.
Bye!
Wimba wappa 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 wimba ang system ko wimba wappa wimba wappa wimba wappa wimba wappa wimba wappa wimba wappa wimba ang system ko Kung ang trades mo'y palaging talo, mag-ZFT ka na. Kung ang losses mo ay tumodo, mag-ZFT ka na. Ang system ko kung ikaw ay palaging FOMO, mag-ZFT ka na. Kung ang port mo'y di nagbabago, mag-ZFT ka na. Ang system ko
Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, but we aspire to much more. Our vision is of a world where your money is free. That means freedom of choice, exchange, and transaction. That's why, with the Binance Decentralized Exchange, fiat on-ramps around the globe, and an entire blockchain ecosystem fueled by Binance Chain, we're working to bring the freedom of money to anyone, anywhere. Binance. Exchange the world.